Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Let's Talk Naturally. I'm Shauna and today I wanted to share with you a hair growth oil recipe that's excellent for individuals who want to grow longer, stronger, thicker hair, and also for individuals that are suffering from hair fall, male, female pattern balding, or alopecia. This hair growth oil and hair shed oil treatment works wonders. I've used it on my mother's hair, and she suffers from alopecia in the crown of her head. And I've been using this hair growth oil along with the rice water treatment, and it's been really working for her. So I'm excited to share that recipe with you. It's a recipe that's only using 3 simple ingredients, all natural ingredients: coffee, amla, and grapeseed oil. Let's get right into that video. So these are pictures of my mom's hair journey from day 1 to 1 month of using rice water with green tea along with this oil blend. And to make this oil blend, you're going to take 1 tablespoon of amla powder along with 2 tablespoons of ground coffee. You're going to put that into a pot and stir it around just to help to release some of the goodness. Some of the benefits of coffee is that the caffeine helps to stop hair loss, it promotes regrowth. It also blocks the effects of DHT in male hair follicles, and it increases blood circulation to the scalp, which promotes healthy hair follicles. Amla powder is rich in vitamins and minerals that encourage blood circulation to the scalp, and it strengthens hair by producing collagen protein. Next, you're going to take 1 cup of grapeseed oil and you're going to add that to your mixture. Grapeseed oil stimulates hair growth. It's rich in vitamins and flavonoids. It also has linoleic acid, OPC essentials for hair growth, and it's a natural sealant. You're just going to let that steep for just a couple of minutes before turning it off, and you're going to let that sit overnight. I put my mixture into a glass container and I put a lid on top of it. I let it sit for 24 hours. This is the next day, and I'm going to take my nut sack, which is like a cheesecloth. You can use cheesecloth or a stocking foot, which is clean, of course, in order to strain off your oil. And you're just going to put your oil blend into your cheesecloth, and you're going to strain that oil with your hands because you don't want to have any of the debris. But please don't get rid of it. All of the ground coffee and the amla powder along with the grapeseed oil makes a wonderful facial mask, and I'll show you how you can use it for that. Next, you're going to pour the strained oil into your applicator bottle. And that's what you're going to use not only for your hair, but also for your scalp, which is what you want to focus on when you're suffering from hair fall. And you can also use it on your skin. Next, I'm going to show you what to do with the leftover coffee ground amla powder and grapeseed oil. I use it as a facial mask, and I just take my foundation brush, I put it into the mixture, and I start applying it to my face. Coffee, amla, and grapeseed oil are all rich in anti-aging, antioxidant properties. They're all natural moisturizers, and they all naturally treat acne and dark circles. They all increase collagen and elasticity, which makes your skin look and feel firmer and softer. Coffee is a natural exfoliator, which helps to buff away dead skin cells, and it leaves your skin feeling smooth. It's rich in vitamin B3, which helps to fight skin cancer, and it also reduces inflammation. The amla is rich in vitamin C, so that means it naturally brightens your skin and evens out your complexion, which makes it great for treating dark circles. The grapeseed oil quickly penetrates the skin. It doesn't leave an oily residue, so it won't clog your pores, and it's ideal for all skin types. It's high in polyunsaturated fats, rich in vitamin E, so it fights acne. Once I apply this facial mask, I let it sit for about 15 minutes before rinsing it off with warm water. And I pat my face dry with a clean towel, and my face feels hydrated, it feels moisturized. I don't have like that dry, tight feeling. So for me, I don't even need to apply a lotion or any other kind of moisturizer, because the grapeseed oil, the coffee, and the amla left my face feeling nice and smooth. Take a look. Healthy skin, thanks to nature's great ingredients, and I'm off to bed. So I'm going to show you what I do in the morning. I use my Thayer's Witch Hazel with rose water. I use that as a skin toner, and I use that in the morning. And whatever excess coffee, amla, and grapeseed oil was left over the night before, it comes off in this process. My face feels nice and smooth, it feels soft, and it feels moisturized. Next, I take a little bit of the oil and I rub it onto my face just to seal in that moisture, and I focus underneath my eyes. And that's it. Face is hydrated, moisturized, and I'm ready to use this oil on my scalp and my hair. The first thing I do is spritz a little bit of water around my edges. After taking out my 3 twists, 2 on the side and 1 in the back, and then I just apply a bit of oil to my scalp and I massage that in. And I do that over my entire head. I just massage the oil into my scalp and I take the excess and apply it to my hair. Now I'm ready to style, and I take my pick and I start fluffing my hair, picking at the roots and shaping my hair into the shape that I want it to be. Can't forget the back, and a bit of finger fluffing until I get the desired look. I think I'm just about there. And these are my final results. So that's it. Now you know how to make your own DIY natural hair growth oil using 3 simple ingredients in nature: coffee, amla, and grapeseed oil. And as you've heard, it's beneficial not just for treating hair fall, but also supporting overall hair health, and it's also great for your skin. As you saw, I like to use it as a facial oil. I love to use the coffee grounds along with the amla powder and the grapeseed oil as a facial mask, and it helps my skin to be brighter, and it helps to even out my complexion. And I love that it also moisturizes my skin, because I have very dry skin, and I love the fact that it moisturizes my skin without leaving it oily. So I hope that this recipe helps you all in your healthy hair journey, but not just your healthy hair journey, also a healthy skincare regimen. So if you check this recipe out and you try it and you benefit from it, please comment down below and let me know. Let me know if this is something you've tried, if it's something you're willing to try, and if you try it and it works, let's have a conversation about it. So I'll see you next week. Take care.